everyone, welcome to Canadian Desi Chef. Today we are making Modern Ayurvedic Papdi Chaat, which is our first video of new playlist called Cilantro Chutney. In this video, I'll be sharing with you how to use modern techniques to make chaat, Ayurveda concept of eating, and what flavors do to our body. So please watch this video till end. This recipe has 6 components: pomegranate papdi or disc, roasted sweet potato chunks, smoked pineapple yogurt, condiments, cilantro chutney jelly, ginger sauce. Both is optional. If you want chutney's recipe as well, please comment below this video and we'll make another video on it. So let's start making it. Take roasted sweet potato, peel and small dice it. Mix it well with other ingredients, cover and refrigerate. Chaat. Chaat is an Indian food delicacy. Chaat is a word derived from Sanskrit word chat, which literally means to lick, and referred here as finger-licking good food. Chaat is a wide variety of savory snacks or an hors d'oeuvre, which can be enjoyed with fingertips or can also call finger food. This recipe follows the concept of Ayurveda, which is an ancient system of medicine, which is based on the idea of balance. Ayurveda is not a diet which implies restrictions or limitations. It's about setting yourself free from all the problems physically, mentally, and emotionally by keeping balance in every aspect of your life. It empowers us to understand why balance of everything is important. It helps us to accept facts as it is. Time to make our dough now. Put all dry ingredients together in a mixing bowl and combine them well. Add ghee or clarified butter and mix it until it looks like cornmeal. Combine chilled pomegranate juice and knead it in a medium to hard dough. Do not overmix as it will toughen the dough. Rest it for half an hour. As per Ayurveda, there are 6 flavors and one should incorporate all these 6 flavors or taste every day in their diet for being healthy. Let us understand what these flavors do to our body. First, sweet, which is also called meetha in Hindi. This is the only flavor which is important to our body from birth to death. It provides growth and nourishment to body, mind, and emotions. It gives us energy and stability in our body and thoughts. I have used sweet potato and ghee in this recipe, which represent first taste. Second is sour, which is also known as khatta in Hindi. It is digestive, fuels the appetite, increases saliva secretion, and stimulates our metabolism system overall. There is a saying, "You are what you eat," is a perfect example to justify sour taste. I have used yogurt and lemon representing this magical taste. Now time to roll the dough. Roll the dough into thin sheet as even as you can. Cut it with cookie cutter or small steel glass or bowl. Then prick it nicely with the help of a fork. It should turn out tender, flaky, and crispy in the end. And now bake it in an air fryer or in the oven at 350 degree Fahrenheit. Let's move on to our third flavor, salty, which is also called namkeen in Hindi. Most dominant flavor. It brings down all other taste, or I can say one cannot taste anything without salt presence. It purifies our blood, supports muscle strength and soothes our nervous system. This is a taste behind our creativity, confidence, and enthusiasm. I have been using rock salt, which is also called pink Himalayan salt or Senda Namak in Hindi. Now let's move on our pineapple yogurt. Mix everything together except coal and clarified butter. Burn the coal on stove. Place a small bowl in mixed yogurt and place the burnt coal in the bowl. Then pour clarified butter on top of it and close it with the lid. Smoke it for 2 to 3 minutes only, as you want a hint of smoke somewhere back of your palate complementing your dish. Smoke has a powerful taste and it can easily overpower your dish and ruined it completely, and you don't want to do that. In few things, less is more. Time to assemble and garnish. I'm garnishing it with chopped onions, tomatoes, pomegranate seeds, chopped cilantro, and chickpea flour flakes. Let's move on to our fourth taste, which is bitter. Remarkably interesting flavor. No one likes to eat it, but everyone wants to enjoy the benefit from it. This is the taste which helps drying out excess fat, water, and deep clean our body. It stimulates our nervous system, gives us clarity and self-awareness. Fifth taste is pungent or spicy. Lot of people avoid it, but one shouldn't. It provides warmth to our body and it works as a blood thinning agent. It clears blockage, reduces cholesterol. This is the taste behind our excitement, curiosity, and vitality. I have used green chilies to represent spicy taste. Sixth and the last is astringent. It has the power to stop anything in our body, internally as well as externally. It binds everything together and tones loosen and flaccid tissues. It helps us to be stable, unified, and grounded. I have used pomegranate to complete my dish sixth flavor. To sum up this video, I wanted to remind all the benefits only work if you cook or serve food with love and not out of irritation or anger, as your energy transfers in the food. A recipe has no soul. Your love must bring soul to the recipe. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you like my effort, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Here are 3 examples of plating this super tasty appetizer. You can choose any one of these or create your own plate and enjoy it with your loved ones. This crunchy, creamy, flavor-packed chaat will be a party to your mouth. Please comment and let me know if you like this video. We'll meet you shortly. Till then, keep learning and help others to learn. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Take care.